Well, good evening everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Bass, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful evening out there and staying safe and well, as we do have some severe thunderstorm going on this evening over the southern portion of the United States and portion of the Ohio Valley. Okay, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing to my channel today. I do daily content. I hope to see everybody on board. Spread the word. Get many people as possible to subscribe to my channel as I try to keep everybody up to date on the latest weather information. Like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about, as you can see here, we're going to talk about the graphics, understanding severe thunderstorm outlook category. Since we are going to be going into more of a severe weather event over the coming months, we're going to get more and more severe weather to come as the warm air and the cold air battles it out over the United States. This is a little bit of a learning experience here on my channel. Okay, and then the next we're going to talk about the Watches Warning Advisory Map, the National Weather Service Doppler radar across the lower 48. And also we're going to take a look at the HRRR model in the short range forecast for the next 48 hours. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here. Alrighty, as you can see here, this is what you see sometime on your local television station or maybe on the internet. You can see that we have several categories. We have level category, level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The categories are general thunderstorms. Detail, although severe weather is not expected, all thunderstorms can produce deadly lightning, gusty winds, and small hail. So summary, no thunderstorms expected. Okay, marginal risk. Some thunderstorm could be capable of damaging winds and severe hail. Localized tornado threat could develop. That means isolated severe thunderstorms are possible. Okay, slight risk number 2. Increased confidence that some storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and or tornado potential. A few storms could be significant. That means isolated to scattered severe storms expected. Okay, now number 3 is an enhanced risk. Enhanced risk means high confidence that several storms will contain damaging wind, severe hail, and or tornado. Several severe thunderstorms could be significant. That means scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms are expected. Okay, now we're going to roll into category 4. Moderate risk, high confidence that many storms will contain damaging winds, severe hail, and or tornadoes. Several severe storms likely to be significant. Scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms are expected. Okay, category number 5, a high risk. A high risk, high confidence that an outbreak of some storms will contain tornadoes, damaging winds, and or severe hail. Tornado outbreaks and or widespread damaging wind. That means numerous severe thunderstorms are expected. Okay, as you can see in the little graphic right here, how many severe storms are possible. See, it's none to numerous. See, it's got a little bit extra here. See, it keeps going over the category. See, it goes all the way to numerous, scattered. Okay, how bad could the storms be? Okay, regular thunderstorm will be similar to storms your area experiences many times per year. Okay, number 2, marginal risk, similar to storms your area may experience several times per year. That's all the same thing. I'm not even going to worry about saying that. Pretty much same thing. Okay, definition, severe storm. Any storm that contains at least one of the following. Wind gusts of at least 58 miles per hour. Hail at least 1 inch in diameter. Tornado. Significant severe weather. Any of the following hazards. Wind gusts of at least 75 miles per hour or higher. Hail at least 2 inches in diameter or higher. Tornado of at least EF2 rating or higher, that's a Category 5 storm. Okay, if you like to pause the video and kind of study the chart, you're welcome to keep you and your family safe during severe weather. Okay, let's move on to the warning and advisory map. As we can see, we have winter weather advisories over portions of the northeastern United States. Flood watches down here. We've got tornado watches also for portions of northeast Texas, Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and southwest Tennessee. We have red flag warnings, high wind warnings over Texas and New Mexico. We have a winter storm warning and advisories and wind advisories over New Mexico all the way back into Nevada, Southern California. We got freeze warnings in effect for portions of central California, and with winter storm watches also for that region. And up here in the northwest, we have a few little winter weather advisory and a couple winter storm warnings for a few counties in your region. A winter weather advisory also for northern Wisconsin. Okay, here's a look at the National Weather Service Doppler radar. We have activity over the northeastern United States. We got that little developing storm system located over near Iowa and Illinois. Trailing cold front extending to the southwest. Shower, thunderstorm, few severe thunderstorm, few tornado warning or two maybe popping up as well, as long as that line. More activity over the southwest to producing winter weather, and also winter weather over portion of Washington State. And the triple HRRR model, I'm starting it off at 8 p.m. this evening for the south. This is for the southeastern United States. We have there's them line of showers, few thunderstorms embedded. That's the one that may produce some severe weather over from the southern Ohio all the way back into Arkansas and portion of North Louisiana. As we go further in time, I'm going to stop it at 11 p.m. More robust looking storms over this region here as it continues to move off to the east. I'm going to keep on moving it. I'm going to stop it at 4 a.m. The robust storm kind of weakened some because of the overnight hours, but still cannot rule out a few severe thunderstorms as well across northern Mississippi, all the way into a portion of North Georgia, and even into western North Carolina. Alright, this system will continue to zip off to the east, bringing a few showers, few storms, all the way back into Texas. Here comes our second weather maker here. This is the one that's going to bring the severe weather. We continue to march forward in time by late Thursday and Friday. This is the first round here, moving through central South Carolina around 11 a.m. Thursday. Back over here, got more precipitation over here in Texas, Louisiana. As I continue to move the clock forward, see that first round kind of weakens as it moves to the southeast toward the Charleston area. And we got a warm front extending across the Carolinas as a low pressure system over here near, like I said, near Arkansas will lift off to the north and east. Trailing cold front will continue to gain steam and march eastward with some severe weather. All right. Warm front lifting north, low pressure moving northeast, trailing cold front. And there's that severe weather over a portion of western Tennessee, all the way back into Mississippi. And as we continue, and we have scattered shower developing over the Carolinas on at 10 a.m. Friday morning. And as we get to 1 p.m. Friday afternoon, we still have scattered showers over the Carolinas. There's the main cold front moving off to the east. And there's that 977 millibar low pressure that will continue to lift off to the northeast. We have snow flying over a portion of Missouri. And like I said, later on in the afternoon, that's when we expect that line of shower to move through. But it should be weakening some as it moves into the Carolinas, but cannot rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm as it moves through. All right. Well, I hope everybody has a great evening. Stay safe out there. Like these videos. Share these videos. and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you on board. Have a great evening, and we will catch you back in the next one.